supercharged. Put in work.
I thought it was pretty even.
Yeah, no, it was pretty even for the most part. Hell yeah. Alright, so we have made it to Mr. Anthony's house. I'm gonna install the Flexi kit. Let's check it out. You're gonna need a few tools for this one. Not too bad, not too bad. It's got the FlexFuel kit, Pro Flex Commander. You guys know. Alright guys, so we're finishing up Mr. Anthony's 5.0. So at the moment what we're doing is with this FlexFuel kit, essentially we're putting in these wires that will go in between the injector and the actual FlexFuel unit, so that way it manages how much fuel and E85 is in the sensor. As you can see right here, we have an actual FlexFuel sensor, which is right here, and that will be able to tell Anthony how much E85 is in his, or how much ethanol is in the car. And then after that, we'll get you guys a startup clip and show you guys the app. All right, so we're gonna go for a little test drive, and not that we'll expect any big gains on just 91 that's already in the car, but we're gonna see how she runs as is. What do you think? You gonna feel any power?
Hopefully.
She feels faster?
Yeah, already.
I bet she does. We gotta. You're not used to the power. So we're gonna connect to the Pro Flex Commander as we speak. Right now we're rocking 10%, 9% ethanol, so when we get to the station, we'll pump some 85 and we'll see it start to go up. Probably even out around, how much gas you got in the tank right now?
67 miles empty.
So we got like half a tank or a little less than half. All right, so we are going to attempt our first fill up with E85 in Mr. Anthony's car. As you can see, it's only $185, super cheap right now, so it's a great time to get some E85.
Chevron product.
His first time filling up the corn. Sheesh. How do you feel? How do you feel? Thumbnail? Got how many? 7 gallons on $14. That's a lot. 7.5 gallons. Damn. Sheesh. That was clean. That was clean.
No, your barber had bars like that?
That was clean. These people are like, what the f? We're going up in the ranks. Oh, we're getting some E now. Since you pumped it.
It's probably did that.
But yeah, no, look, it's going up. Look, look, look.
Hey, bro, no. I think I might sound stupid right now. I feel kind of swing a little better. Honestly, I don't know.
More power?
Honestly,
You know how to get back, right? Whatever. Damn. Got the ZL1 right here. Sheesh. Damn. Thing looks so good. How's it going? Dude, this thing looks so badass. Like,
you ever seen one in person or not?
no, I have, but just seeing it up close, it looks better, and the color looks hella good too.
No swirls, no nothing.
Nah, that front end though is hard though.
Yeah.
I was in my buddy to see how I do against, you know, with the. I just tuned it, so I mean that's it. But no, I have an intake, tune, and then long tube headers. So just like, but it's all motor. I'm not supercharging nothing, you know. Damn, this color's hard.
Chogo down the echo.
Oh.
Damn.
Supercharged. It's a 6.2, right?
Yeah. You thought mine was fast, huh? Imagine this one. Hell yeah. I drive hella crazy, huh? To be honest.
Yeah. Good though. This color, man, it's like.
Oh yeah. It brings out the aggressiveness.
Yeah. Nah, that color looks hard. Super clean, super clean. All right, guys. So we are going to be racing a stock manual ZL1. We're gonna see how it does. Do like probably 50. Anything low I spin, so we're gonna check it out, see how she does. clean. That's good.
Hey, honestly, I feel like you race more than him though. I feel like if you guys switch it out, I feel like
Yeah, no, that shit was clean though. That shit put in work.
I thought it was pretty even.
Yeah, no, it was pretty even for the most part. Hell yeah.
But he put like $1,000 worth of parts though in that shit, thousands.
I wouldn't say thousands. No, I only have an intake, a tune, E85, and headers. So just like bolt-on, like just simple shit. But if this was tuned, it would be that shit. But if anything, it's because this shit heat soaked. It's just the after the supercharger gets hot.
Yeah.
But that was really, I was actually really surprised. It was really clean. It was about even, I'd say, for the most part. Yeah.
Can I try it out? Or let him try it out. He has a good driver mod. He knows how to shit hella good.
Yeah, I know how to drive for sure. Or you want to park the car somewhere else though, or?
No, let him drive yours. Just follow.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm down. Whatever. Or you want to drive mine, or vice versa?
Try out the
it. The clutch is way heavier on mine. It's like, what the f right now? Where are we gonna go? Oh, manual ZL1. This shit is crazy. Just the mirror a little bit.
Do I really have to record this though?
Feels good. Very stockish. Turn the rev match. Oh wait, let's turn it on. That's active rev match, so you don't have to give it gas. I didn't give it no gas. Just did it. A tiny bit.
No, he'll let you dog it.
He's all the way back there. Oh shit. Feels good. Not bad. It's just heavy. It's a heavy car. Left.
So Mr. SVT just showed out the ZL1 here. It looks clean. It's looking sexy. But it just got gapped by the 5 Easy, huh?
I mean, not gap, but it was a pretty close match.
It was there. It was there.
Damn, we'll see what he thinks about the 5.0.
Damn.
I bet he's gonna be like the first thing.
All right, you left it on though. Hey, did you try it? Did you try it or not? Huh?
Emergency lights the whole time. I think it has a girl, but she just drove by me. I figured it out now.
Oh, he was trying to figure out how to drive the emergency lights.
Oh, it's just like the little switch right there. Yeah.
Hey, did you try it out though?
First thing, clutch is stiff, right? Yeah. Compared to the ZL1 for sure. The clutch is going out on this one, so I'm replacing that. But I knew that was the first thing you'd probably do.
Here you go.
The clutch is gonna be stiff, but.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. Watch him.
Hey, bro, put your seat.
Oh, okay, yeah, for sure. I kind of adjusted the mirror, but
Yeah, it's all
yeah, that shit drives clean. Like the clutch, super light. It feels good.
Yeah.
Like it's clean. I'm trying to get a cool picture. I don't know. Is there a cool spot?
Look, people start acting up as soon as you point a camera from my show. Get out of here! So, I stole Alex's camera, and he's somewhere back there. No, he's behind us.
Calling me.